Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure the phone and TV are on the same wireless network. This is essential for discovery. Once done, open settings on your Redmi, swipe to connection and sharing, and tap cast or wireless display. Make sure the TV is in screen share mode or the Chromecast is powered and ready. You will see available devices populate. Do not skip granting permissions when prompted. This kicks off the handshake between devices so you can select the TV next. Once your TV appears in the list, tap its name to initiate the cast. You'll hear a small confirmation tone and the phone will negotiate resolution and audio. If the TV asks to accept the connection or to enter a PIN, confirm on the TV remote. This secures the link. Make sure to set phone orientation lock off if you want rotation and adjust volume from the phone or TV. If media stutters, pause and resume to rebuffer. This often stabilizes the stream. To end mirroring, open cast and tap disconnect or simply turn off the TV's cast mode. The phone will immediately stop sharing. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot both devices and retry. Restarting the router can also clear network conflicts. Make sure Wi-Fi scanning and location permissions are allowed for casting to work. As a fallback, use a Chromecast dongle or a USB-C to HDMI adapter for a wired, reliable connection. This avoids wireless interference when troubleshooting fails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.